It's a brand new gift. Every single day when I get up and call him name, I am going to send him another check because I noticed that the drunk crew them, every time they see Blamdem getting gifts and stuff, early the next morning before they can wash their ass and their face and brush their teeth, they get up and start to call his name. So I want to let y'all know that it's only gonna keep on benefiting him, okay? Where the bars them, where the bars them, Nicki, on the manga look work, John Crow, where the bars them, where the bars them, 10 grand word to lion. So, okay, now, guys, if you're not from the Caribbean islands, if you're not from the UK, if you're not from the African continent, and you don't understand anything we're talking about, you guys can be excused from class today. I won't hold it against you, okay? However, first things first, everybody needs to know that Onika, Tanya, Mirage, Petty is petty, okay? And I want to let everybody know I'm going to always do and say what I want to, when I want to, how I want to. Now, right now, they haven't been wanting to put, my little hiatus songs where what I'm doing just to celebrate my own country, the country where I was born, the place I was born at. I've been doing songs to celebrate them and to elevate these people because they, are some of the people who inspire me. And you wouldn't believe how much is being done to keep these little tiny songs off of streaming, child. Yeah. So that's when I really realized, wow, I'm really the mother queen. You know what I'm saying? Because let me tell you something. I don't need nobody to not be around in order for me to shine. I am the star in any room that I stand in. Okay? And as they sit here right now with their ears listening closely to try to ban my live, I am still going to come back on and I'm still going to speak the truth. Okay? Now, for everyone outside in the world, everyone, please know this. I wish I could care. I wish I could care about what y'all telling me to do and what not to do. Okay, if you are not a barb, number one, Damien, what is you here for? What is you doing here? What is that song you was playing for cup of sauce? Child, I don't know what to say with him. Yeah. Okay, and I'm glad he stopped by. Damien, make sure you send me lots of gifts, please. You have a lot of money, right? So this message now goes out to Guyana. So 3 countries I'm talking to right now: Guyana, Jamaica, and Trinidad, and the rest of the Caribbean islands. Everybody listen up close. When Blamdem and Damien have their match, right, on March 28th, I want to let y'all know, Jamaica and Trinidad, we have to come together against Damien, who is representing Guyana, okay? I want all of my African countries, okay, my South African bars, my Nigerian bars, my Ghana barbs, my all of my barbs, my Somalia barbs, my Mozambique barbs, my Kenyan barbs, my Ugandan barbs, my Congo barbs, all my barbs. On March, my Cameroon barbs, on my Guinea barbs, my Botswana barbs, all my Moroccan barbs, all of my barbs, and all of my Caribbean islands, and all of my Spanish-speaking islands, and all of my and Brazil. I want to let y'all know that we have a big match high into the Ivory Coast. We have a big match. And shout out to the UK. Shout out to Europe. But Blamdem is representing for Jamaica. And Damien has been being the weapon formed against the TikToker them. Okay? So Jamaica, as the ambassador, I am asking you guys to save up your coins and shoot for Blamdem on that day. I'm not even gonna play. I'm not gonna play that day. But all of us need to come together. And Blamdem, it's too many people in here. I think I'm gonna let you go on. I'm gonna come on yours.
Yeah,
I'm gonna come on this in like a couple minutes. Not gonna know what the heck I'm talking about.
Yeah, me go any live at your company. Any live at your coming and box.
Okay.